These moving beams are best. They are 300 watt each. They are supposed to be best, right? But what they have unique is this LED ring. So what this primarily does is it highlights the source point. So it's not just a funky feature but a usable one. Hi, my name is Zunayed Sabbir Ahmed and let's dive into my highlights. Okay, as mentioned before, the 300 watt beams are crazy. Beautiful use of focus and prism. My second highlight would be number of preset animation on this LED ring. It's crazy. If you could program it properly with a song, oh my god, that's gonna make a crazy experience, I bet. The build, the finish is nice, like a decently priced fixture. I love the built-in mount clamp in this fixture. Very easy for hanging it on the truss or making it sitting on a stage or floor. Other than various color gels, this fixture has a 6-color rainbow. This can look beautiful if designed with aesthetics, making use of multiple fixtures of same type. Not only the build is cool, this fixture has kinda smarter operating system inbuilt, which has smarter functions such as auto rotation with orientation. So I have made a separate in-depth video on this fixture where I have shared my honest opinion. You can check it out after this one. So for now, let's take a look at how only 2 of these fixtures look in action. You will have to use your imagination to visualize how it might look with 10 or 20 of them together. If you are planning to buy these fixtures, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get a discount, so check it out. If you like this video, I bet you're going to love our new channel called All About Stage Show. We have a lot of amazing fixture and VJ gear review coming up there. And hi, my name is Zunayed Sabbir Ahmed. I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. And check out this video next where I have taken a deep dive into these awesome fixtures. I started with unboxing, review what comes with it. Also, very importantly, my honest opinion. Check that out.